we're here at Collegetown Center. We're going into one of the 5-window studio apartments. Those are the largest of our studio apartments. And this one is set up with some unique decorating features that I really wanted to show you. So first we have, just past the kitchen, we have someone has purchased their own small tension rod and a set of curtains to give some privacy between the kitchen and the main part of the studio apartment. We're gonna open that up and go on through. And look at that. Here is the rest of our apartment. Almost, you can see we've got another large set of curtains. So we have another tension rod between the two ends of the windows here. And we'll go over and see that. So this here is what one of the normal studios is like. This room ahead of us is about 10 feet by 15 feet. And you can see all the furnishings. But this is a 5-window apartment. This is our largest floor plan layout. I like this because it gives you some more privacy if you prefer that, if you want to, keep that closed, or it helps keep your room a little darker if you prefer a darker room for sleeping. Let's get this open so you can see what I mean. The light will adjust in a sec. Let's go on through. Okay, so over here, this is the 5 windows that we have. So this is the largest of our studio apartments. All of this floor space beyond the curtain is the part that sticks out. You can see over here what I mean. There's a regular studio next door to us. You can see another one of those 5-window apartments just down a couple of spaces over. So it's a really nice feature. I think they've set that up really nicely. Of course, you could do the curtains in any color. These ones are pretty long. And that is a look at a different design layout for a studio apartment here in Collegetown Center for one of the 5-window apartments at 151 Dryden Road.